In this video, I will show you how to make text picture in CorelDraw. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. First, you have to copy your picture. After copying your picture, open CorelDraw application. After open CorelDraw application, then paste your picture. After pasting your picture, go to effects, adjust, then desaturate, so that your picture will appear black and white. Then pick crop tool and crop the picture. Then reduce the size of the picture. After reducing the size, pick text to write whatsoever you want to write on the pics. Convert it to be caps lock, and go to font character. Select your character, either impact or any other, and place it in front of the picture. Draw a line to divide the picture into two. After drawing the line, highlight the line and the picture at the same time. Go and click back minus. After clicking back minus, break apart or Ctrl K. The picture will divide into two. Go and place your text in front of the pic. I reduce the text. Reduce this text. Reduce it. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Click the picture and go to Power Clip Edit Content and place the arrow on the text. It will appear like this. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel